Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If a Steam game is crashing, freezing, not launching, or showing random errors, the game files may be corrupted or missing. This usually happens after an update, an incomplete download, or a system issue. In such cases, resetting the game files to their default state can fix the problem quickly. To do this, open the Steam client on your PC. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now click on the Library tab at the top of the Steam window. From your game list, find the game that is causing problems. Right-click on the game title to open the menu. Now click on Properties. In the Properties window, select the Installed Files tab from the left side. Here, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now start scanning all game files. It will compare your installed files with the original files stored on Steam servers. If any files are missing, damaged, or changed, Steam will automatically download and replace them. This process may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed and game size. During this time, do not close Steam. Once the verification is complete, Steam will show a confirmation message. Now close the window and try launching the game again. The game files will now be restored to their original default state. This method does not delete your save data or progress. It is one of the safest and most effective fixes for most Steam game issues. Like the video if it helped. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more PC fixes and gaming troubleshooting tips.